In this video, I'll show you how to change Discord password if you forgot it. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this works both on PC and on smartphones. Ensure you watch through what I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Discord, right? This is our Discord account. And let's see if you forgot your password and you'd love to change your Discord password. What you're going to do right now, click on the settings. Once you've clicked on it, right now you can see a lot of options right here, right? So we don't need to even stress much. You're gonna see this change password under here, right? This is the change password. Click on it. You would enter your current password, right? Your current password of your Discord, right? Then you can be able to change it with entering a new password you love to update it with, right? Then you can still come on here. You can confirm the password, right? This is the current one, this is the new, this is the confirm, right? So once you're done, you're gonna just click on the new. Yeah, very easy, very easy. So I think that is basically how you can change your Discord password if you forgot it. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.